The um, the congregational funeral that you said, after the epidemic has disappeared, inshallah, the family members who couldn't pray, when they go there, do the congregational prayer. Uh, I mean, after so much of a time, is there any limit, or they can come even
There's no limit.
year, or
There is no limit.
or from another country who was not
Any
there,
person who did not pray
travel
on
ban.
him, he could pray on that person, the janazah prayer,
individually or together?
together. But in this case, I would say, let's say, for example, the masjid did not open, so they could pray on the janazah before they bury him. So if the masjid did not offer the place for the prayer, so they take him just, on the entrance of the graveyard, any place which is available there. 3 people line up behind the corpse, okay, before they bury him, and then offer the janazah, and then after that they will bury him.
What about the body bags, Ustad? If the medical professionals say that he needs to be in the body bag,
No problem, as I said,
So-
for the body bag, because if he's got the body bags, that means we didn't shroud him, did we? Okay. So if it is the case, we do the best to, as Allah said, فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ مَسْتَطَعْتُمْ, fear Allah as much as you can. So if we can't put even shrouds, all these body bags is enough to be a shroud for him. If we can't, but if they let us, for example, to shroud on top of the body bags, we will do that as well. Shroud on top of the body bags. We have to, basically do as much as we can to be close to what is the sunnah of the burial. So I take it from you that will be no cremation.
I've just heard from the brother upstairs that they have
Ruled
taken
it
that
out.
off, ruled it out.
Right, and also the lots of things regarding the doctors, which is to do with, there is a letter being sent by the head of the department of some hospitals, that they're saying that this is a very delicate situation. We need the doctors to shave their beards because their beard, they carry the viruses. Some of the hospitals have done that, and I've read the letter. And not all the hospitals have done that. So they were asking me this situation. I said, if you got a doctor who is Sikh, I don't think he will shave his beard. A religious Sikh, he will not take it. So if that Sikh will shave his beard, then you could ask me this question. I don't think so. And there is, alhamdulillah, suits at the moment can cover even the beard itself. Okay, I've seen them. Okay, so that's a very weak reason, and the doctors who are religious and abiding by the deen, they should not compromise their deen for such recommendations. I wouldn't say as commands. Okay, and they should really not just to take any opportunity to go and sin and do something that would displease the Almighty Subhanahu wa Taala. Have they said that to you?
No. I've heard somebody did it.
Doctors here, they've been sending me.
Some precautionary measures and individual decisions, not a recommendation or a scientific proof at all.
Yeah, Allahu A'lam, but we don't really
Yet.
shave the beards for that.